Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So this is my part 2 favorites and I'll be sharing my skincare, my hair care, my makeup in this video. So you have not watched the first part, make sure you watch that as well, in which I shared my favorite movies, my favorite web series, my favorite moments and my favorite songs. So yeah, so now let's get into this video. So starting with favorite skincare, this is the product which I absolutely love. This is the Vaseline Pure Oat Extract Deep Restore, and it's non-greasy, and I used to use this all over the summers, not in winters, but yeah, this used to moisturize me a lot and it's my favorite. Next body lotion is the Moonlight Path by Bath and Body Works, and it smells so good. Like the smell is so good and so like calming and relaxing. I like the smell, and also it's really moisturizing, but it's good for winters, not for summer, because it's thick. It's thick on your body, but the smell is so good that I used to use it all over this year. Next is this scrub by the Face Shop. It's a Jeju Volcanic Lava, and it's a face scrub, and this is my first product from the Face Shop, and I really love it. Like for face, the beads are so tiny that it's perfect for your skin, for your face skin, because you should not use very harsh scrub on your face. Those will cause micro tears and everything. So yeah, this is really good and also cleanses my skin so nicely. It does not keep it like too dry. Obviously you have to moisturize after using a scrub, but yeah, this is really good for a face scrub. The next product is the sunscreen. This is the Lotus Safe Sun sunscreen, and it has PA+++ with SPF of 50, which is really good for summers and for even for winters. Now I used to hate sunscreen because all of them are so sticky and everything, and in summer we don't like to use sticky things on our face. And I really love this sunscreen because it's totally matte. If you apply it on your face, you won't even feel like you have applied something, because it's so lightweight and so matte. It like mattifies your skin. Also, if you're an oily skin person, I think you totally use this, because this is a magic. You should totally use it. The next thing is this Garnier Micellar Water. It's the oil infused one. I used to have the normal one, which is the normal micellar water, the pink bottle. This is the yellow one. This has oil infused one, which is why I love it so much, because all this I think this is the year in which I applied like the maximum quantity of makeup. And mascara, it's really a task to remove. It's waterproof one, so this really helps in that. Also, if you apply makeup, you should also keep in your mind that you should remove it, and this is perfect for removing all your waterproof makeup, especially your mascara. It will remove that. The next category is hair care, which I totally love. Like I love hair care products and everything. First one is this shampoo. It is the Herbal Essence Hydrate Coconut Milk. It's the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. So I did use this, and it works really good. Like it keeps your hair really smooth and manageable, but you have to use the conditioner as well. So this has no parabens, no colorants, no gluten. It's quite a few kind of variants, but I use the coconut milk one, hydrate one, and it worked really good for me. Next product is so random, and it's so like we ignored this product, and I don't think if any of you apply this or not, but this is the L'Oreal like Excellence Creme. Yeah, so you'll get this one from the L'Oreal Paris's like hair color. If your mom applies that, you'll get this one with the pack. And I never used to know about this, that even we can apply this as a conditioner. Like I don't have any color treated hair, but I use this after I apply shampoo, and this works brilliantly. Like this has been such a discovery. I love this conditioner. Like it keeps my hair so soft. I don't think I'll be ever going back to use any conditioner apart from this one. Next is this serum. It's by Matrix, and it's a smooth proof. It's for deep smoothing serum. It's for frizz-free hair, and it smells so good, and it also keeps your frizz away, and it manages. Like so many of my friends compliment me on my the smell of my hair, and it's because of this serum, because it smells so good. If you're going out somewhere, apply this, because your hair will smell amazing. The next category is favorite makeup, and for that I have this, which is my favorite of all my favorites. This is a Mega Cushion Foundation. It has an SPF of 15, and it's from Wet n Wild, and the sad part is you don't get it now, so I've saved it a bit. I used to apply this to college, like after sunscreen I used to dab my face with this, and it's a cushion kind of thing. It's in the shade honey beige. So it's come with this cushion like the puff, and under this you have the, so yeah, under this you have the cushion kind of thing, and you have to just dab it and you have to apply it on your face. Like if you don't want to have a heavy base makeup, if you are a non-foundation kind of person, you can definitely use a cushion foundation. The next makeup item is this Lakme 95cc cream. It's the complexion care cream and it's in the shade bronze, and it also has SPF 30 PA++, which is really good, and you can also use this in replacement of a foundation. Also for a no makeup look, you can use this. It gives a really good coverage, like for normal hiding scars and everything, you can definitely use this. Because you don't get the cushion foundation now, you can also use this one, because this two works more or less the same. For lipstick, this is like my all-time favorite. It's a nude shade and it's my Wet n Wild, the Catsuit matte liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha. It's a nude shade, but it's so beautiful. Like you can apply this to everywhere, and I think for most of my YouTube videos I have been applying this. So yeah, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. The next is for nail polish, and for this is my favorite shade. This is the Nykaa. It's the Mink Muffin. It's a shade name, and it's also a nude shade. I think it matches with the lipstick. Yeah, so this is a nude shade and I really love it. Makeup item is this eyeshadow. It's the Winky eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty, but it's a total colorful one, and it has so many like shades. It has beautiful, like the shimmer shades are really beautiful. Let me swatch. So yeah, the shimmer shades are really beautiful, and also it has some matte shades. Yeah, so this is the matte shade. The color pigment is really good, and also the shimmer shades are to die for. It's so buttery. For the price range, it's really affordable. So if you're like a beginner, you can definitely invest in that, because it has so many variety of shades. You can definitely create any makeup like eyeshadow look out of this. So yeah, get this one. Thing is this Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. It has 6 eyeshadows, and I got it, I don't remember for how much, but maybe under rupees 500. So it's so good, and although the eyeshadows are really good, it has it's like a metallic kind of liquid eyeshadows. But yeah, you can definitely try any one of those. Like if you can even get it in single packs, but I got it like all 6 of them, and I really love them. It has a black one, a bronze one, a golden one, a silver one, and this is rose gold kind of thing. So with this, I come to the end of the video, and I really hope that you guys liked and enjoyed this video. So if you love this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.